for the first time, this is when I wrote, put this when I even read the story, I thought I was dreaming. But for the first time since the dawn of mankind or human history has been recorded, conservatives finally have done something about their problem. I mean, better late than never, as they always say. This comes after MPP Ontario Derek Sloan got $131 from Paul Foreman, who is a notable neo-Nazi, by the way, and he donated this money last year, at the end of last year. However, many within the party, including the party committee.
That was good. That was good. Yeah.